Hi there and welcome to our channel. Here we talk about entrepreneurship, cryptocurrency, and mindset. And you will find our different training on these subjects by clicking on the link below this video. Today, we are going to talk about 10 of the safest and most profitable ways to make money with cryptocurrency. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular over the past decade. Crypto assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins have gained widespread adoption and recognition. However, the crypto market is known for being highly volatile. With that being said, trading isn't the only ways you can earn income in the world of crypto. Now, market participants are able to earn passive income with relatively little effort. Here are 10 ways you can use to start earning passive income within the crypto space. Number 1. Running Lightning crypto nodes. The first method to earn passive income would be to run crypto nodes. More specifically, to run a Lightning node on the Bitcoin network. This can potentially generate passive income for node operators who earn fees for routing transactions through their nodes. This occurs on Bitcoin's Lightning Network, LN, an L2 scaling solution allowing faster and cheaper transactions. However, keep in mind that running the LN requires technical expertise, hardware, software, and a strong internet connection. If you have the skills and resources to run a node, then this is an effective way to earn passive income. Number 2. Staking. Staking is a process that occurs on a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain network. It is one of the most popular methods of earning passive income. It requires little effort. All you need to do is lock your crypto up for a certain period of time. In return, you receive rewards in the network's native cryptocurrency. Depending on the network, this can come in the form of new tokens or transaction fees. Staking is a low-risk method of earning passive income, especially for long-term crypto traders. Number 3. Liquidity mining. Liquidity mining is another popular way to earn passive income from cryptocurrency. This has become popular due to the rise of decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and swap pools. Essentially, DEXs require liquidity pools that are used to facilitate transactions of a certain token. These tokens come from community members called liquidity providers. They deposit their tokens into a liquidity pool, which is just a smart contract for the DEX. In exchange, users receive passive income for contributing to running the DEX. Number 4. Yield farming. Another common method used to earn passive income comes in the form of yield farming. This is a practice of depositing cryptos into yield-generating pools on DeFi platforms. This is a popular way of generating passive income, but requires research due to the variety of DeFi protocols out there. Yield farming demands slightly more attention compared to the other methods we have discussed so far. This is due to the fact that returns tend to fluctuate. Number 5. Decentralized crypto lending. Crypto lending is one of the most popular ways of earning passive income in the entire industry. Similar to liquidity mining with this method, all you have to do is deposit your crypto into a lending pool. Once again, users must conduct thorough research when it comes to selecting the best crypto lending service. The interest comes from borrowers who borrow the coins that you deposited. They are expected to return the funds in the agreed amount of time and pay interest rates. The entire process is all facilitated by the use of smart contracts. Lenders must also provide some sort of collateral. This safeguards the lender. Number 6. Cloud mining. Coins such as Bitcoin are highly popular and very difficult to mine. However, mining Bitcoin is still very rewarding, which is why people are so interested in the process. One option that they have is to turn to cloud mining. Cloud mining is a service offered by cloud mining companies that let you borrow their computational power. All they need is for you to commit a small portion of funds. Essentially, you purchase a mining plan in order to rent their computational power. In exchange, they allow you to use their mining gear, and you receive a portion of the gains. That way, you can mine coins that are difficult to mine individually without buying mining gear yourself. Number 7. Crypto games. Gaming is one of the most enjoyable ways to earn passive income in crypto. Most crypto games today adopt the play-to-earn (P2E) model, meaning you can earn while playing. Different games offer different deals. Some of PvP games reward you for winning matches against other players. Other games let you mine or collect valuable resources and earn them by selling them. Some games allow you to win NFTs and then sell them for profit on a third-party marketplace. The terms of earning in P2E games differ from game to game. But the fact that you can earn while playing games is quite a revolutionary change in gaming as a whole. Number 8. Airdrops. Another popular way of earning cryptocurrencies passively is participating in airdrops. Airdrops are performed by crypto projects or sometimes crypto exchanges. What this means is that they'll send free cryptocurrencies to users who fulfill certain requirements. Airdrops are often performed by new crypto projects that seek to distribute their assets. Often such projects may be supported by exchanges or other larger projects. Number 9. Crypto savings accounts. An additional method of earning passive income within the crypto space is by using crypto savings accounts. These are similar accounts to the ones offered by traditional banks. However, these ones are available on crypto exchanges, centralized exchanges to be precise. Apart from exchanges, there may also be other specialized platforms that offer such services. Crypto savings accounts are simply interest-bearing accounts for cryptocurrencies. The platforms allow you to deposit your money into an account, and in return you'll earn interest based on the amount you deposited. Meanwhile, they use your money for various purposes. The platform might act as a liquidity pool, a lending platform, or something similar. For traders, it is important that their funds are safe and that they will grow in time. Number 10. Affiliate programs. Lastly, we have participation in affiliate programs. A lot of projects and exchanges like to use their community members to gain new members. This is a common practice in the retail industry, so by no means is it unique to crypto. Similar to the retail industry, you get your own affiliate link which you can share anywhere. If people come to the platform and register via your link, you get paid. You can use this method if you have your own website or if you write a blog. This has also been very popular among social media influencers. They even offer discounts to those who use their specific link or code. So guys, this completes the list of 10 methods you can use to start earning passive income within the crypto space. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. See you in the next video, and until then, keep smiling.